How is it with controlling movements of human body? There is lots of mathematics hiding behind human movement controlled by brain. One article that appeared in Proceedings of National Academy of United States, also called PNAS, inspired me to publish this video. I believe they are publishing lots of articles in America that often are misleading, sometimes intentionally, maybe also in this case. Japanese professor Matsumiya argues in this article that motion of human body depends on maps of the body that are stored in the brain, and that, as he is writing in this article, there are more of these maps. I want to correct this. A map is something that we use as a whole to search in it, to use it for activities based upon previous look inside this map. But the human brain contains no such maps that are being searched and worked with. Instead, it maintains database of 3D points corresponding to positions of particular parts of human body that is being used to control movements of human body parts. I believe this makes a difference, at least for those who understand computer science and programming. And most importantly, this 3D database covering whole human body does not to be present in several copies or varieties as Professor Matsumiya is writing. One such database covering human body is enough for controlling human movement. The reason why such a database is sufficient for controlling human movement is that all movable parts of human body are joined together, and as the parts are moving, their changing positions can be recalculated from data obtained during the movement process. Let's make now a short experiment. You can easily repeat this experiment after me. Try to move your index finger of your right hand to touch the tip of your nose. And as you are moving your hand, keep your eyes closed so that your brain is navigating your finger without help of your eyes, just using the 3D database being stored in the brain. You see that it is possible to navigate one part of a body towards another part of your body without actually seeing the scene. You may try to do this experiment with other parts of your body, and it will work the same. One thing you may notice is that sometimes this movement is not 100% accurate, and your finger may miss the other body part for some centimeters or so. How this 3D database covering positions of all your body parts works? Let's have a look on the hand on this image. When you divide this part of the body in small areas, or let's say it better into set of points, and you assign 3D position for every such point, you already have a 3D database for this part of the human body. In this case, for human hand. The human brain maintains database of such 3D positions for all your body. As your hand or other part of your body is moving, these positions are changing. But because all parts of your body are joined together, change of position of any such 3D point in the database can be recalculated based upon data received during the movement process. Here you see hand moving in your elbow. As the movement proceeds, data from the movement is being sent to the brain. Your brain receives information how much have your hand moved in this particular joint, and based on this data, new 3D positions for the points on your hand are being recalculated. To recalculate new positions, no information from sight or other senses is required. This explains why you can do this movement with eyes closed. But information acquired during the movement process is not accurate enough, and therefore recalculating of new 3D positions brings errors. To accommodate for these errors, information coming from your eyes or other senses is being used to make the movement more precise. We see that there is no map inside human brain, but instead there is a database of 3D positions covering the whole body. And this database is being recalculated during movements in real time. So that also proves that the human brain is an efficient computing system. Now you may ask me, how exactly is this database of 3D positions being used to control movements? The explanation is simple. You need all these 3D positions to be able to calculate moving trajectories. Your brain is calculating trajectories anytime you move your body without you knowing about it. It is basically trigonometric calculations what your brain is calculating. How to get from one point to another on straight line, how to get there on a circular trajectory, etc. I have shown you that it is a database of 3D positions what your brain needs to do movements, and that any such movement is a trigonometric calculation from one point to another point. This all is known and presents no enigma whatsoever. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section.